Hello friends! Welcome back to my tantalizing bites. Today I am making scrumptious spinach and cheese pies that are not just delicious to eat, but look at them, they are so pretty. These crispy, flaky mini pies are perfect for high tea, as an afternoon snack, or even served at a brunch party. They are a crowd pleaser. You are gonna love this easy recipe. Let's head into the kitchen. But first things first, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. We're gonna thaw out about 10 ounces of frozen spinach and squeeze out all the extra water. To this, we're gonna add 1 small onion that we finely chopped, about 3/4 of a cup of feta cheese crumbles, 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/2 a cup of ricotta cheese, and 1 egg. Next, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We need dill for this recipe, but I could not get my hands on fresh dill, so I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of dried dill. Now mix all of this really well. You may have noticed that I did not add any salt, and that is because feta cheese is already quite salty, and I also find that spinach is naturally a bit salty too, but you can feel free to add some salt to your own taste. This is now nicely mixed up. Let's set this aside and start with our puff pastry sheet. I am using 1 store-bought puff pastry sheet today, and this will make 9 individual pies. Just roll out your pastry sheet a little, don't flatten it out too much. Now using a pizza cutter, I'm going to cut this into 9 squares, and you don't have to worry if they are not perfectly even. Add a very generously heaped tablespoon into each square. I did end up with some leftover filling, which I used in my omelet the next morning, and it turned out delicious. Now that all of our squares have the filling in them, let's gently roll them up. And there you go. That is how easy this recipe is. Let's just finish rolling all of them up. Next, we're going to place these on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Brush each one with some egg wash. I like to sprinkle some everything bagel seasoning on top just because it tastes so good and it looks so pretty. You can use some sesame seeds or poppy seeds, or just leave it out completely. Just the egg wash should also be enough. We will bake these for 20 minutes at 400 degrees or until they are golden brown and cooked all the way through. Let me tell you, when I'm baking these, my kitchen smells amazing. And these look fabulous. They taste even better than they look. The wonderful flavors of the spinach and onion mixed with the spices and the dill and that delicious mixture of 3 cheeses. These are so delightful. My kids love them. Do try this recipe out and let me know how you liked it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share the recipe with your friends. I'll be back soon with more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.